Energy changes associated with changes in state. Chemical and physical changes are usually accompanied by changes in energy. Recall the following terms and go ahead and fill these in your notebook or in your head, and when you're ready, we'll pull the answers out to the right. When energy is put into a system, the process is called what? The sign of the energy change with respect to the system is blank. Second one, when you release energy by the system, what is that process called? And what is the sign of energy change there with respect to the system? So take a few seconds and we'll pull out the answer tab here shortly. And what do we have? Well, the first one, when you put energy into the system, that's endothermic, and the sign of the energy change is positive. Second question was the reverse, so that will be exothermic and negative. So let's put that back, and hopefully that matched the answers you wrote in here. Phase changes. We've talked before about solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. And you're going to have your material, your system, changing phase. So we look over here on the left, the energy of the system is going up as you move from bottom to top. So what we have, when a solid melts, it goes from solid to liquid, and then liquid to gas, and liquid to gas is vaporization. The energy is increasing. If you go the reverse, and those are the words in red, gas condenses to a liquid, and liquid freezes to a solid. There are two other ones that you normally don't hear about. Sometimes a solid will go right to a gas. That's called sublimation. And then the reverse is when gas goes to a solid. That is called deposition. So going up, energy increases. Going down, energy decreases. Let's see if we can take these various phase changes, which are listed down here, and put them into the table above them. So we have the endothermic processes and the exothermic. Endo is when energy is taken into the system and delta H is greater than 0. Exo is the opposite. Delta H is less than 0 and energy is released. So go ahead and take those words at the bottom and put them into the 6 spots above. Pause the video and then we'll come back and show the answer tab. Okay, let's pull out the answer tab here. And we're going to come down here so we can check your answers. So hopefully for the endothermic, you put melting a solid, boiling or evaporating a liquid, and then sublimation of a solid. Then exothermic would of course be what's left over, freezing a liquid and condensing or depositing a gas.